What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sabrina and I mostly do content about travel, fashion, and lifestyle. So hit the subscription button if you're interested in those type of content and give me a thumbs up. I'm packing for my trip to Jamaica and I want to share 3 things that I think is now a must when you are packing for a trip. So let's get right into it. Number 1, Lysol. Some people used to do this way before the world was changing with this virus. And let me say this, kudos to you. But now I pack Lysol in my luggage, sometimes 2, depending on how long my trip is for. I spray down hotel rooms now when I get in them, and listen, I don't know how true it is if Lysol is killing germs and viruses, but honey, it's very comforting just doing it. I also bring Lysol wet wipes, and I'm always wiping stuff down. I get on the plane and I'm wiping my handles down and stuff. As a matter of fact, on my last flight with JetBlue, they even give you wet wipes. They're giving you wet wipes now. So, they expect you to desanitize your little area that you're going to sit in. So, new world. So, there it is. Number 2, downloads. I download a ton of stuff off of Netflix on my phone. Be prepared to be delayed. At least I do. I go prepared that my flight is going to be delayed. Some kind of unforeseen thing is going to happen and I will have to wait. So I go prepared. I have my music list ready. And the most important part, have a portable charger on hand, all juiced up. And you also can have your books and stuff like that. And I also have my journal, because I'm a journal writer. I'm always journaling and so forth. So be prepared to be in that airport. Be prepared to be sitting around waiting for something. So once you prepare yourself, you won't get as anxious, you won't get frustrated. If the flight show up on time and everything goes smoothly, you're like, okay, it's a good day. Trust me, guys, be prepared, because these airlines are canceling flight because they don't have pilots. A friend of mine was going to Texas and the flight was canceled because the pilot didn't show up. Pilot didn't show up for work. They didn't have no backup pilot. So it's craziness. A lot of people are not going to work anymore. So just be prepared to be sitting around and be inconvenient. So be prepared. I can't say it enough. Did I say be prepared? Number 3, mask. I refuse to buy masks because I don't want to accept the reality that this is our lives moving forward. On my job, they hand out 2 of the disposable masks to us every day. So I have been hoarding them and getting away with not buying my own masks. But for this trip to Jamaica, I actually bought some off Amazon. I bought this 100-pack. I don't think I will ever get used to wearing a mask. Give this video a thumbs up if you're with me. And write in the comment section and let me know if you will have accepted wearing masks. I haven't. It's still a struggle for me. Not that, I'm not wearing masks, I still wear the mask, but I don't think it's something I will ever accept. But it is what it is. So guys, those are my 3 things that I think most people are probably packing when they're taking a trip. Now, let me know if you're one of them. And thank you for watching my video, and give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.